What it do, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Dae Luxe, and I'm here with the wig unboxing from Unice or Unice. Now, I've seen this brand on YouTube a few times. Usually it's in a sponsored post. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if it's quality hair or people just doing it for a bag. But your girl spent $227.75 on this wig right here. Now, it's a loose deep wave, 13x4 frontal. It says it's pre-plucked. It has baby hairs. It did not mention a type of lace though. So I don't know if this lace feels like construction paper, but I do know it better resemble ice cream cone on a summer day. I need this lace to melt. And if it's not melting, if it feels thick, it's going back. But I also ordered it in 18 inches because I felt like that's a comfortable length to play it safe. I don't know if the hair is trash, so I didn't want to go super long and then I'm stuck with 28 inches of doodle bundles on my back. But I have not opened it. You know, I wanted to open it with y'all. So let's see. I had this wig for like a few weeks. I ain't gonna hold you, but I think it's about time. I think I still have time to return it, so. Oh my goodness. Okay. Off rip, I can tell, well, I can feel that it's not in a box. I personally like my wigs to come in a box, but whatever. So this is the baggie. You see the girls is branded, Unice. I don't know why I want to say Unice, but it literally is U-Nice. So Unice, a natural extension of you, satin bag. Ooh! Hold up. Woo, child! Okay, that is some, ooh, that smell. That smell right there, honey. It smells like Shein. This is how Shein purses be smelling, like booty crack, I promise. But that's what it looks like as soon as I open it. I see that the wig is slightly open. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this? I forgot. Y'all, I forgot I ordered, it's only one. I ordered a pink clip-on extension because when you go on their site, you have to spend X amount in order for you to save. So I literally needed like $3 extra. And I was like, what's the cheapest thing on their site that I can buy to up my price so I can save a certain amount of money? You know, they be scheming and scamming. They know how to get you. And the extensions was like $4. And I thought it was like a few of them, but it's literally one piece. So ghetto. But this is the wig. And then I have a goodie bag. Inside of that, I have a wig cap. Some earrings. Let me open this. Something just fell off. Something is... What is falling off? Oh, the clear back came off, but I still got the metal bags. I was like, what the heck? Okay, these are kind of cute. I ain't even about to hold you. These like diamante jewels, little dangly earrings. All of the stones are on there. That's what I was checking for. We got a little edgy brush with a little baby hair brush. And then the girl got some lashes. Okay. Oops, that fell. I'm not picking it up. All right, anyways. So that was the goodie bag. This is my one extension for $4. And then this is the unit right here. Whew. Let me see. Hair disinfected, made in China. Okay. The hair don't smell that bad. It feels really soft though. Oh, I need to get my nails done. It keeps snagging. Y'all, I had these nails on for some months. Like, I need to get a new set or just take them off. Okay, but anyways. Okay. It's very bouncy. Okay, the hair feels really nice. Yeah, I done ran my hands through it and got a little snaggy snag. The hair is shedding. Hold up, and I'm not even like, I'm not pulling too. Baby, the hair is shedding. Okay, maybe that was just a few strands that came off. Okay, it's not doing it no more. Maybe that was just a little scraggly puffs. Okay. Let me take this styrofoam. Okay, so this is how the wig looks inside. It has 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back. It's adjustable. That's what it's giving. Now moving into the lace. You can tell. Yeah, obviously it's not HD. And if it was, it would have said that it was. I knew the lace wasn't going to be HD or Swiss. This is like literally the basic brown lace. But as you see, it's not too ashy. Like, it's not too thick. It's not too dark. It's literally perfect as far as complexion. I can easily tint it, but the hose on it is a little bit bigger for sure. So if I needed to do some extra plucking on it, I would have to be extremely careful or it's gonna look very holish. Ooh, really big. And I'm probably gonna record and show you a different angle of this unit. But as far as the transparency of the lace, I do like it. I do believe that it's easily tintable, if that's the word. And I have my wig head. Can y'all see if I put it here? Let's see. It's not bad. $227. Let me get a rat tail comb so I can part it. I want to see where. Okay, yes, it's a track. Let me see. Because sometimes they'll have that track sewn in and it would never get flat the way that they placed it. Okay, it's gonna give me a little. Let me see. Is this by 4? Is this 4 inches? Don't make me get my measuring tape. This don't look like 4 inches. The parting space gets shorter on the sides. It's looking like this looks like 13 by 2. So you really can only get away with the middle part. You see how deep that is? Okay. See how deep that is? Let me see. You see? This is on the side. Like, I feel like the track should have been placed a little bit back. Like, why did you cut off my lace? I don't know if I'm tripping, but I need my wig ladies. If you have a 13 by 4 frontal, shouldn't it be by 4 across the entire perimeter of the, you know, like, why is it now shortened? Like, I should be able to go further back. You might have just gave me a closure. So should I just did a closure wig? And that would have been cheaper because you're paying for the lace, but don't cut me short. But the hair is cute. The hair feels nice. It has a little bit of texture. You see that? Like the hair feels soft, and then once I get down to the ends, it just feels very dry. I don't know. I can work with it. It's definitely gonna have body in it. I think I just need to flat iron it. And then how I wanna do is just like kind of straighten it and then add my own curls in. And because it's already a natural loose deep, it's gonna hold it. And I just wanna do like a natural like body wave type of look. I think I'm vibing with her. Then as far as the back, let me see. That's how it's looking in the back right there. This is the edges. It's for sure pre-plucked though. They definitely pre-plucked it. They plucked it quite nice. You see that hairline? And then this is like the baby hairs. Okay. I like her, but let me go ahead and try her on. I have this wig on right now. I'ma snatch it off camera, baby. I'm not gonna show y'all my Kayla Nicole's, all right? Let me go put this wig on. Hold up. Okay. So I do not have a wig cap on. I literally just placed it on over my braids. Let me move my wiggy. Y'all, this, oh, hold up. Because this my edges right here. And I need, hold on. I can't see with this lace. Ooh, child, I can't see. Okay. Okay, yeah, let me do this. Okay, the wig is a perfect fit. Like, this is so refreshing. This is how wigs should fit. And I guess that's why you should custom make your own wig so it can be to your head. But I haven't had a pre-made wig that fit perfectly in the middle. But as far as the pre-plugs, they did what needed to be done. I think she's cute. What y'all think? Obviously, she needs to be styled. This is the vibes. Okay, this is a comfortable length. I'm liking a little 18 inches. I can still do a ponytail with it. I can still do a little sum up, pin it back. Okay, y'all, I'm not mad at it. I still think that I should have saved like $20 more. I would love to spend maybe like $200, $205 for this unit. But it is what it is. I am going to go ahead and keep it so I can try her out. I'm interested in how she will last over time. And then I will probably come back with the review. And I almost forgot about my little extension, because I sure did pay for this. Girl, not... The hot pink extension. Who do I think I am? I paid for it, so I'm about to rock it. Let's see. Where is that track at? The extension is 16 inches and the wig is supposedly 18. Oh, okay. Because I was going to say, if this extension is longer than the hair, then we know the inches is off. But no, that makes about sense. I remember I used to wear these in middle school. It's giving me like, it's bringing me back to my childhood. Quit playing. I might actually wear this. I don't know if it's human hair or not. Made in China, hair disinfected. Yeah, whatever. But okay, y'all, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you found it informative. And honestly, I was prepared to talk trash. I just knew something wasn't going to be right with this wig, but overall, I am thoroughly surprised with the quality, and I would definitely update y'all in a week or two with the quality to see if it holds up, how it's doing. With that being said, you know, you can subscribe, unsubscribe, like, dislike, you can do anything. Just please do something for me, okay? And I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video.